Guys, okay, ma'am. I'm going to start. Now, guys, in the last term, I were discussing about some integrals, and I would like to complete that thing. Uh, I would teach you to today integral because this should be completed. Now, next property of the integral is minus a2 plus a fx dx. It is equal to 0 to 0 to a fx plus f of minus x dx. Okay, then this is the next important property, very much important, even important than the last property. It's very important where this property is used when we have to convert the limit from minus a to plus a to 0 to a, then this property of integral is used. Okay, then remember how I will use this. In the left hand side, the limit is from minus a to plus a, and at the right hand side, the limit is from 0 to a. First of all, put it here fx, then put it here f minus x. Replace x by minus x. I am going to solve some problems. Suppose we have to solve the integral. It has been asked in IIT, and the integral is cos x divided by 1 plus e raised to power x dx. How we will solve it? We will apply this property. We will write 0 to pi by 2. This is our function fx. This is our function. Then this is fx right now. And here, replace x by minus x. We'll get this. Now apply the simplification rule. Here cos x upon 1 plus e raised to power x plus cos minus x will be cos x again. We can simplify algebraic simplification like this. When we will simplify, we can write it cos x e raised to power x plus 1 plus e raised to power x. Now it can be written as like this. ये कट गया. Now this can be further written as 0 to pi by 2 cos x dx. Guys, see how the integral became very easy. Now we can find the value of integral of cos x. I'm writing here the integral is sin x. This is 0 to pi by 2, upper limit, then minus lower limit, you will get 1 minus 0, it will be 1. It's very simple. Now copy it, then I will proceed for the next problem. This is very important property for your examination. It's very, very important property. Now guys, I am going to proceed for the next question. We have to find the value of integral minus 1 to 1 root over 1 plus x square minus root over 1 minus x plus x square then dx. Okay, now apply the same rule. This is our fx. We can assume this is our fx. This is our fx. Now apply the same formula. Write fx, that is then write f of minus x. Replace x by minus x. When we replace x by minus x, we will get like this. We have to replace x by minus x dx. Now simplify the given expression. Now terms will be cancelled. This get cancelled by this get cancelled by this, and we will get 0 dx, and the answer will be 0. Then students, this is very important property which I have learned in the previous page. This minus a to plus a fx dx will be equal to 0 to a fx, then copy plus sign in between them, then copy f of minus x, replace x by minus insert in the given function. So you can copy it, then I will proceed for the next problem. Sorry students, I am going to move for the next problem. My next, if we have to find the value of the integral minus pi by 4 to I by 4 x raised to power 9 plus cube plus 1 divided by cos square x dx. Suppose we have to find the value of this integral, then this will be our fx. This will be our fx. Then apply the same formula, 0 to pi by 4. First copy the fx. Then replace x by minus x. in the function fx. Now it can be written as it cancelled. Now we'll get 0 to pi by 2 sec square x dx. The integral of sec square x, that is 10x, apply the limit 10 pi by 4 upper limit minus lower limit, you will be 2 pi by 10 pi by 4 each one. Then see the complex question can be solved very easily by applying this formula. So please copy it, then I will proceed for the next problem. So students, I am going to give an example for the next example. Suppose we have to find the value of the integral log of base e x plus root of x square plus 1 dx. First of all, I would like to tell you some important thing about this function. Suppose this is a function log, this is an odd function. Later on I will teach you about the odd function. F minus x log base e, replace x by minus x. Now add these two relations, If we add these two relations, we can write log base e root of x square plus 1 plus x plus log base e root of x square plus 1 minus x. Now we know the laws of logarithm. Log a plus log b can be written as log a into b. Now we can further write a plus b into a minus b. A square minus b square, it get cancelled. Log base e1 will be 0. So for the given function, we have proved that fx plus f of minus x, it will be equal to 0 for the given function. This is very important to know the basic laws of the logarithm. If you don't know the basic laws of the logarithm, I request you to ask your school teacher. Okay? And if we suppose this as a function f, then how I can proceed further? We can write minus 1 to 1 fx dx this can be written as 0 to 1. First write, apply the formula जो मैंने आज सिखाया है आपको today's property, and we have calculated the value of this as 0. Now the value of the integral will be 0 dx and it will be 0. So students, please copy it, then I will proceed for the next problem. Now guys, I would like to tell the next problem regarding this. Okay, my next problem is we have to find the value of integral -1 to 1 x cube plus mod of x divided by x square plus 2 mod x plus 1. We are required to find the value of this integral. I would like to tell some basic properties of the modulus function. We know that -3 mod will be 3, 2 mod will be 2, 0 mod will be 0. Okay, so students, minus x mod and x mod will be same whether we find the value of mod x, or mod means the positive value of that quantity. One thing I would also like to remind you that defining the modulus function, if we would like to define if x is positive, this value of mod apply karo na karo, whether we apply modulus or not. If x is negative, there will be minus x. This is the definition of modulus function. Suppose -3, we have to find the modulus of -3. Then -3 is negative. Then before the number we should apply the -3. And this is not a negative number. X is itself negative, and minus will do it positive. So this is the definition of modulus function. Then if there is a modulus function, if the inside the modulus function number x is positive, replace the modulus sign. If x is negative, again replace the modulus sign. Before replacing, keep the minus sign before the x. It is the property. Now I would like to do it. Change the limit. This is our function fx. We will write fx mod x plus 1 divided by x square plus twice mod x plus 1 plus, replace x by minus x. We can write it like this. Now 0 to 1, simplify the given expression. माइनस एक्स क्यूब मॉड एक्स। आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि माइनस एक्स का मॉड और एक्स का मॉड सेम होगा, एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 2 mod x minus x whole square will be x square. C, denominator is same, so it can be written as, take the LCM, x cube plus mod x plus 1 minus x cube plus mod x plus 1 dx. It get cancelled. 2 times 0 to 1 plus 1 upon x square plus. So guys, first of all you should copy this much up to this much, then I will proceed it further. So students, I am proceeding it, please copy it. Don't write slowly, be fast. लाइक कछुआ कछुआ की तरह मत चलो, तेज चलो, फास्ट लिखो बेटा. Moving like tortoise, copying like tortoise. Okay guys, don't take it otherwise. Then just a funny moment was there. Okay. Now I am proceeding this problem further. I can write it 0 to 1 2 times mod of x plus 1 divided by x square plus 2 times mod x plus 1 dx. Now the integration variable is x here and the limit is for x. This limit is given as 0 to 1. This limit is for x. And x is between 0 to 1, that is x is positive. Once x is positive, we can remove the modular sign. Zero to 1, we can write it x plus 1. It get cancelled. Now guys, logarithm of this will be, integral will be this from 0 to 1, upper limit minus lower limit. It will be 2 ln 2 minus ln 1. Log 1 will be 0 to ln 2. ln matlab, ln means log base e, natural logarithm. So guys, please copy it, then I will proceed for the next problem. Now students, I am moving for the next problem, and my next problem is let there is a function from real number to real number. I am writing the complete question. Be a continuous function given by f of x plus y, fx plus fy for all x comma y belongs to real number. Full stop. If 0 to 2 fx dx is equal to alpha, then find the value of minus 2 to 2 fx dx. This is the question. Our question is to find the value of this expression. It's very easy, guys, very easy. We have to find the value of this. We can write it fx plus f minus x. Okay. Now from the given relation, this relation, we can write fx plus y is equal to fx plus fy. So put x0 and y0. Put replace y by minus x, we get f of 0 fx plus f minus x. From the given relation we got this. Now we have to find the value of f0. From here, if we put x is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, what we will get? f0 is equal to f0 plus f0. Then it get cancelled, we will get f0 as 0. From here we can put it here, and we got fx plus f minus x as 0. So this can be written as 0 to 2 0 dx, which will finally become 0. Nice. Very easy, guys, very easy. Copy. It's very easy. This functional relation is true for each value of x. We have to discover such type of value f of minus x. How we can get f of minus x? If we replace y by minus x, we can get that. Now there is a gadbad, there is a dikkat, there is a problem in finding the f0. What to do? In the original relation, we can put x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. From there, we'll get f0 at 0. We'll put there, we'll get fx plus f minus x will be 0. Okay, then the value of integral will be 0. Quite easy. So please copy it, and I will proceed for the next problem. And this is very important property. I am moving for the next one. And the problem is, let fx is equal to e raised to power cos x into sin x for -2 less than or equal. For this range of x, the function is this. Otherwise, the function is this. I have been asked in IIT, a very easy question. We have to find the value of this problem. We have to find a function is defined from -2 to 2 as e raised to power x into sin x, cos x into sin x. Otherwise means if the interval is not this, whether x less than -2 or x less than 2, then we will take the value as a function as 2. Now what we will do here, see. From -2 to 2 fx dx, then from 2 to 3 fx dx. From -2 to 2, we can use this function e raised to power cos x into sin x dx plus 2 to 3, we can use 2 dx. Now, for calculating this, we can write -2 to 0 to 2. This is our fx, e raised to power cos x into sin x. Now replace x by -x. Dx and plus 2 to 3 dx. And we know cos -x will be -x will be minus sin x. And this term get cancelled. And this will be simply x, lower limit, upper limit. Now guys, copy and we'll proceed for the next page. Please copy it. Now students, please copy it. Sin -x will be sin x. If you have any trigonometrical problem, you may consult your mathematics teacher. A very simple problem. Sin -x will be minus sin x, cos -x will be cos x. These simple formulas, you should have knowledge of these formulas. Okay. Now I am going to proceed it further. We'll get it equal to 0 to 2 0 dx plus 2 times upper limit minus lower limit. It will be 0. 2 into 1, it will be 2. It will be our answer. Okay. So please copy it. Then I will proceed for the next problem. My next problem is the value of integral minus half to plus half ln 1 plus x by 1 minus x plus q ln 1 minus x by 1 plus x plus r dx. He is asking that this value of the integral will depend on first option on p only, second option q only, third option r only, p and q only. He is asking that if we calculate the value of this integral, it will only depend on the value of it will only depend on the value of q, whether it depends on the value of only on the value of r and on the value of both. Okay, now it's very simple, but before proceeding to the problem, I am going to tell something to you. What the something is, let fx is equal to ln means log base e, 1 plus x by 1 minus x. If we find f minus x, we will get replace x by minus x, we will get this. Add these two expressions, we will get fx plus f of minus x ln 1 plus x divided by 1 minus x plus ln 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x. Now applying the laws of logarithm, 1 plus x by 1 minus x into 1 minus x by 1 plus x. It get cancelled, We will get ln 1, log 1 will be 0. So where we have this as a function, ln 1 plus x by 1 minus x or ln 1 minus x by 1 plus x. For both the functions, we get always fx plus f of minus x, it will be 0 for both of the functions. So this is very important properties for the both of the functions. So please copy it, then I will continue to the question. Now, utilizing this property of this function, we can say that if we apply the given formula to this, then it will be 0 as well as it will be 0. we will get only minus half to plus half r dx. Okay? Thus, we can say the value of integral will depend on the value of r. It will neither depend, this term will get cancelled as well as this term get cancelled. The value of integral will depend only on the value of r, not on the value of p or q. Okay. Now guys, I would like to prove the formula which I have told you. I want to prove this minus a2 plus a fx dx, how it came 0 to a fx d fx plus f of minus x. I am going to prove this formula. Consider the left hand side, that is 0 to a sorry हो गई, right hand side fx plus f of minus x. Now open the bracket, 0 to a fx dx plus 0 to a f of minus x dx. Now don't disturb this first part and disturb only this part. Put here, I am going to do something. Put minus x ht and the limit will get changed here in this integral. I am going to disturb only this part. Here the limit of x is 0 to a and the limit of t will be, when x is 0, t will be 0, x is a, there is minus a. Then it will be 0 to minus a. Okay, it will be ft and the dx will be equal to minus dt. It will be minus dt. Okay, and I have told you, copy this, and I have told you, if we interchange the limit, then an additional minus sign will appear and this minus sign will be cancelled. Minus into minus will be plus. And one thing I have also told you, if limit is there, internal variables can be interchanged. Whether if we write ft dt, whether we write fx dx, then it can be written as minus a to 0 fx dx. First write this, then 0 to a fx dx. Okay. Now I have written minus a to 0 fx dx plus 0 to a fx dx. And in our previous class, I have told you integration means simply signed area. If we find area from 0 minus a to 0 first, then from 0 to plus a, directly we can find from minus a to plus a fx dx, and which will be equal to right hand side. Okay, in our previous class we have done it. If you are unable to understand this derivation, you can take help of your mathematics teacher. Please copy it, then I will continue further. So students, I have taught you this property of definite integral. Okay, and in the previous class I have told you some revise it, and I will send you today a DPP of daily practice problem with full solution for the 12 questions, and you should practice that. And in the next lecture, yani tomorrow, I will continue the next property of the logarithm. When I will finish the logarithm, I will continue for the physics class. Okay? Good night.